This mind-blowing tomato planting trick is taking gardens by storm in 2025. And it might just change the way you grow tomatoes forever. Tired of slow-growing, weak tomato plants? Well, today, you're in for something special. We're diving into a technique that's quicker, easier, and delivers bigger, juicier tomatoes with barely any extra effort. The results are so impressive you'll wish you had known this trick years ago. Let's jump right in. So what's the secret? It's called deep trench planting. While the idea isn't entirely new, 2025 gardeners have leveled it up with smarter timing, companion planting, and powerful organic amendments. Here's how it works. Instead of planting your tomato seedling straight down, you lay it sideways in a trench. Why? Because tomatoes are special. They can grow roots all along their buried stems. By burying more of the stem horizontally, you create a supercharged root system. That means stronger plants, faster growth, and better access to water and nutrients. Combine this with companion plants like basil or marigold, which chase off pests and boost growth, and you've got a winning formula. It's low maintenance, budget-friendly, and perfect for newbies and pros alike. Let's break it down step by step. First, gather what you need: healthy tomato seedlings with sturdy stems, compost-rich soil, a digging tool, and optional companions like basil, marigold, or even chives. These little allies help deter pests and improve your tomatoes' flavor. Step 1. Dig a shallow trench, about 6 to 8 inches deep and twice the length of the stem. Remove the lower leaves, keeping the top 2 to 3 sets. Gently lay your seedling in the trench and bend the top upward. Don't worry, tomatoes are flexible and will grow right toward the sun. Step 2.
Backfill the trench with soil, making sure the stem is fully covered except for the top leaves.
Then mulch to lock in moisture and keep out weeds. Growing in containers? Just curve the trench-style shape and ensure your pot is at least 18 inches deep. Want an extra boost? Add slow-release organic goodies like bone meal or worm castings. Tomato varieties that love this method include Roma, beefsteak, brandywine, and celebrity. The big, bold types that thrive with strong root support. So, what should you expect? In just 10 to 14 days, you'll notice stronger stems, fuller leaves, and rapid new growth. Thanks to that spread-out root system, your plants will power through hot days and random rainstorms without a sweat. By week 4, early flowers and fast fruiting begin to show. In fact, many gardeners in 2025 are seeing tomatoes ripen 25% faster, grow larger, and experience way fewer issues like blossom end rot or wilting. One grower even reported her harvest doubled, and she didn't lose a single plant all season. Now you've got the inside scoop on 2025's tomato planting hack that's flipping gardens upside down, in the best way. Try it out and watch your plants thank you. And hey, don't keep the secret to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more clever garden hacks, and tell us where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. More juicy tips coming up, including a simple trick to boost tomato flavor naturally. You won't want to miss that. Until then, happy planting.